Hey there friends and fam, how's it going? My name is MG110. Today I am gonna take you on a good adventure. You might have seen me do the bungee jump a few years back. If you haven't, I recommend you play that clip. But today I'm going a little bit higher than that. Today I'm gonna do some skydiving.
Good morning everybody, welcome to Cairns. Now, what are we doing here this morning dressed up in these harnesses?
Skydiving.
Yeah, we are. Yeah. Whose awesome idea was that? Awesome. How's everyone feeling?
Good. Yeah, good. Ready.
Excited? No one's nervous?
A little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. That's right. Well, it's going to be a glorious morning. Are you ready? Let's go do it,
Yeah, let's do it.
This is MG110. Hope you're enjoying the view up here. Woo!
Looking all over Kansas City area. Yeah, it's beautiful, mate. Pretty lovely, eh? Nice one, man.
Oh, that was awesome.
Yeah, dude, back on the ground. How you feeling?
Awesome, mate. That was
Good, hey?
beautiful, mate. Just beautiful. Well, guys, if you like this video, please smash that like button. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos in the future.
Oh yeah, welcome to skydiving. See you again soon, man.
See you around.